Today I show you how easy it is to use and play video files in a Windows Forms app. For this we can use the media player from our Windows system. Just add the control from the Calm components to our toolbox. After this we are ready to add it to our form and use it. Now we have a full function media player. Let's test with a video file. All controls for play, pause and sound are already there. Of course it's also possible to create our own buttons and use it in our code. So after add the player to our form we can start a first test with a video file from our system. Welcome to C# for daily use. Project for our example. After each loop, we communicate the current status via report progress. In the progress change, Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.